So dear children, happy evening to all. Once again, come back to our channel. Now, in previous videos, you already learnt about multiplication of integers. Two positive multiplication of integers. Sorry children, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about 7th class mathematics exercise 4th, page number 1011. Page number 1011. As already discussed in previous classes, multiplication of integers. Now we are discussing in this video exercise 4, page number 1011 of 7th class mathematics. Okay. Now I am going to share the screen. Right. So the exercise 4. Exercise 4. So first one is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. So first one is minus 100 into minus 6. Now second one is dash. Second one is minus 3 into dash is equal to minus 3. So plus 3. 1 minute plus 3. Now third one is 100 into minus 6 is equal to dash. Is equal to dash. So fourth one, minus 20 into minus 10. Fifth one, 15 into minus 3. These are the first problems. Now I am going to do this. So as already we discussed in previous videos, positive value, a positive integer into positive integer, and a negative integer into negative integer gets positive value, gets positive integer. So positive integer. So two same signs numbers, negative into negative, positive into positive, you get positive. Two different signs, two different signs numbers. When we multiply two different sides numbers, we get the negative values, negative value numbers. We get the negative value numbers. So that's why here two negative numbers. So we get positive value. So plus, okay, as usual. So 6 1 600, 600. That's it. Now here minus 3. Answer is 3. The product is 3. The multiplier is here minus 3. Then here also there is minus negative number. There is negative number. So 3 1 3 as all we know. But minus 3 into dash is equal to 3. This is the question. So minus 3 in the dash minus 1. We put minus 1. Next plus into minus. So one positive integer into one negative integer always negative. So as usual 100 into 6, 600. That's it. So minus 20 into minus 10. So here two negative numbers multiplication. Two negative numbers multiplication product is positive. So 20 into 10, 200. That's it. Next. 15 into minus 3. As usual, first you have to write 15 3 is 45. Then you have to look after the sign. Same thing, same procedure is following. So plus into minus. So one positive into one negative is always negative. That's why minus 5 to 5 is the answer. So next question number 2. Question number 2. Find each of the following products. Find each of the following products. Each of the following products. Okay. So the first one is 3 into minus 1. 3 into minus 1. So plus into minus. As always, get minus. 3 1 ja 3. That's the answer. Next, second one. Second one. So minus 1 into 225. Here, the identity also come. So 1 into everything. 1 into anything is equal to. So 1 into any number becomes that number. Minus 1 into any number is also become minus a. That's it. That's it. So minus. So 225. Right. It's a third number. Minus 21 into minus 3. First, to forget that minuses. First, you can take 21 into 30. 0, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. That's it. But here two negative integers multiplication. That's why plus 630. Okay. So first you can forget that signs. You may go through that numbers first. So minus 316 into minus 1. Here 1 into anything is equal to 1 into anything is equal to 316. But two negative numbers multiplication is always get plus. That's it. Next, fifth one. Minus 15 and 0 into minus 8. As usual, we know that 0 into anything is 0. 0 into anything is 0. That's why minus 15 into 0 becomes 0 into minus 18. 0 into anything is 0, that's why 0. The answer is 0. The answer is 0. That's it. So, sixth question. Sixth question is just minus 12 into minus 11 into 10 into 10. Okay. So first you can take these two just like that, just like before that. So minus 12 into minus 11. First forget minus. Just forget that minus. So 12 11 ja 132. 12 11 ja 132. First you have to put that 132. Next minus negative number into negative number is always positive. So 132 into next another number is here 10. So 10. 132 into 10 is 1320. So the answer is 1320. Next one. Seventh one. 9 into minus 3 into minus 6. 9 into minus 3 into minus 6. So first you take 9 into 3. First, I take 9 into minus 3. 9 into minus 3. So 9 3 is a 27, but here negative into positive or positive into negative, so minus 27. Next minus 27 into minus 6. Negative into negative plus 6 7 is 42. 6 2 is 18 over 4, 222. So plus 222 plus 222. Okay. Now seventh number, eighth number. Okay. So here all are into minus 8 into minus 5 into minus 4. So just take first here I am going to take minus 18 into minus 5. So 18 5 is a 19, but two negative numbers multiplication is always positive. First 19 into minus 4. 4 9 is 36. 19 into minus 4 minus 36. So minus 360 answer. Next, what? Ninth one. Minus 1. 1 no, minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 3 into 4. Okay. So minus 1 into minus 2 plus 2. 2 into minus 3 into 3. 2 into minus 3 minus 6 into 4. Minus 6 into 4 minus 24. Here negative into positive becomes negative. So ninth one is also wrong. Now I am going to take 10th one also in this. So minus 3 into minus 6 into minus 2 into minus 1. So first two negative numbers sum is always positive. That's why 3 6 is 18. Okay. Into minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2. 8 into 2 plus 6. That is the answer. So two problems is over. Next I am going to write another question. Right? Another question. So third question, page number 11, 7th mathematics. Okay, 7th mathematics. A certain freezing So, a certain freezing process requires that room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees centigrade at the rate of 5 degrees centigrade every hour. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins? So, a certain freezing process requires that room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees centigrade from 40 degree centigrade. From 40 degree centigrade to how much? From 40 degree centigrade at the rate of 5 degrees centigrade every hour. Every hour. What will be the room temperature? What will be the 1 minute?